Hello, Miss Anh. My name is Dak. Today I am glad to introduce to you my colleague in Toyota company, John. John is American. He is 38 years old. Um, he is a tall man with dark skin. Uh, he has a square face and short blonde hair. John is so generous and friendly that he can make friends with everyone in my company. Moreover, he is very helpful. He helps me a lot in my work. As an automotive engineer, John designs vehicles and ensures that existing cars work efficiently. Every day, John wears a safety vest and a safety boots. Sometimes I see a hard hat on her head, and that's all about my friendly colleague John. Thank you for listening. I'm hoping to see you soon. Goodbye.